Here are 6 things you can do your junior year to help you get into college. The first thing you should do is sit down with your school or college counselor to talk about your goals. They're experts in this field and can help you navigate the college selection process, as well as developing a list of schools. You should also start visiting schools, and in particular, a variety of institutions. Take Bucknell, for instance. We're a multi-college institution with 3,600 students in a rural setting. Talk to and be open with others regarding your search process. Beyond your school counselor, chat with friends, family, relatives, anyone who can give you some insight on their own experience. Build good relationships with teachers who will write your letters of recommendation. In the selection process, admission officers want to understand what type of learner you are in the classroom, so knowing a teacher on a deep level allows them to write a more personal recommendation for you. It's important to research admissions criteria for programs you're interested in to see if you're a fit for them. At Bucknell, if you're applying to the College of Engineering, at minimum we'd like to see pre-calculus as your highest math level. Finally, you should continue to engage in a rigorous course load. Depending on what school you attend, this might be honors classes, advanced, gifted and talented, AP, or IB classes. So there's your to-do list for your junior year to help you become a more competitive college applicant. If you like this video, please subscribe, and if you have ideas for future videos, comment in the section below.